Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomials given below. Find the sum and product of the zeros and verify relationship to the coefficients of terms in the polynomial. 1. P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Solution. P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, which is x into x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3, that is equal to x minus 3 into x plus 2. Thus, the given polynomial is 0 when x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0, which is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, zeros of x square minus x minus 6 are 3 minus 2. Polynomial is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Now, sum of zeros is equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1, which is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 can be written as minus of minus 1 by 1. That is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, that is minus b by a. Product of zeros will be 3 into minus 2, which is minus 6. Minus 6 can be written as minus 6 by 1, which is constant term by coefficient of x square, that is equal to c by a.